Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to install Windows updates on a Windows 7 and Windows Vista machine. To do it, just click the Start button, click on All Programs, and click on Windows Update. Alternatively, you can type it in down here in the search, and it will pop up and you just click on it. Once it opens up, click Check for Updates. Once it does that, it might take some time. You'll see this screen here. If you want to install them, you can just click Install, and they will actually install at that point. If it comes up asking for an agreement, scroll down, read it, and click I accept, and go ahead and install. Other settings I would choose to disable for speed reasons usually is give me recommended updates the same way I receive important updates. All this is suggesting is like Microsoft Update. This basically is the button that you would do to enable Microsoft Update, which is good for a lot of programs actually. If you're using Microsoft Office, then you should probably enable that. It will make all the updates come in automatically. It's great for that. But otherwise, it's just unnecessarily searching your computer for anything Microsoft and seeing whether or not it's the most up-to-date version and then updating them if necessary. Most of the time it does slow down the computer a little bit, but doesn't really matter. But once you're done installing or downloading updates, it will start installing. It will usually do updates as you shut down and as you start up. So once you finish installing it, shut down because you still have more to do to finish that update. It won't complete quite just by what this is showing. You do actually have to reboot. So at this point, I'm going to pause it and I'm just going to come back once I finish. Alright, so they are now complete, and you see it tells me I should restart, so I'm just going to click restart, and it will actually restart the computer for me. Now, we might see it say something in the range of configuring updates. In this case, there it is. So once this completes, it will actually restart, and then it will come back open. All you have to do is just wait for that to complete, and then you can actually just restart, and then you'll be all set. But anyway, I'm going to pause it until it comes back up. Alright, so I just wanted to show this is it starting up again. So it will search for and complete the installation at this point. So just let it complete if it ever does, and then it will allow you to then log in and see your desktop. It's always good practice to keep doing updates until you actually see that it is completely up to date. Usually it will actually say that it's up to date as you're shutting down, because obviously it did all those updates, but there will be updates on the updates like we see here. Another thing is to look at the optional updates, see what they are, and put a check mark in them if you do wish to install them, and then just hit OK, and then hit install, and that will install all the updates all at once. But anyway, that is my tutorial on how to use Windows Update for Windows 7 and Windows Vista. I'll talk to you then. Signing off.